Hello guys and welcome back to the Forest Grandfather channel. Today it's autumn and I'm going for a mushrooms walk in the forest. Are you ready? Let's go!
Mushrooms are not quite plants and not quite animals, but something in between. They live quietly beneath our feet. They breathe just like we do. They grow in silence. They are a kingdom of their own. When you walk in the forest, you're never really alone. There is a whole hidden world growing around you.
The weather is kind of rainy, but for me it's an especially nice season to spend more time in the forest. Just look at this one. It's just mushrooms family. I've got one more. Yeah, it looks like something was eating it, but it's the king of mushrooms, so I'll take it. Oh! Ho ho ho! Let's get closer. Just look! It's a monster! Yeah! That's cool! Remember one rule. If you find one, Look around carefully because they never grow alone. And as I was saying, one and near one more. Just look. That's nice. Who is there? One more. Come here, baby. Look what I just found! The whole family of puffball mushrooms growing on an old fallen tree. They look so fresh and perfect, like little forest pearls. It's white inside. It means that it is edible. I'll take them. I've got a good haul. Enough for today. So let's go home and cook them. I have 2 weeks left to reach the A2 level in English. My channel has already 100 subscribers. And thank you for staying with me. Thank you for your support. Your likes and comments mean a lot to me. For a mushroom's walk. For a mushroom's walk in the forest. 2 weeks left to reach the A2 level of the in English. I already can do this, but I already can do this.